In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to create a new vendor credit authorization. You have to first access the purchase order that's related to the item you're trying to return. So you can go to the search bar, type in PU, colon, and whatever the number of the purchase order is. Or you can go to Receiving subtab, enter purchase orders, and press List, and search for it via the list. I'm looking for number 81, so I'm going to press View. Now, you press Authorize Return. Under Memo, say why you're returning the items, so say something like defective hair. And then you want to adjust the quantity to what you want to return. So I'm just going to return 2. Press Done. Save. And then you press Approve Return. Alright. Now the Warehouse Manager comes. And under your reminders, you want to set it up so that you receive reminders for vendor return authorizations to approve and vendor authorizations to return. If you refresh, it'll pop up. Press Return, Submit. Set the picker as whoever is going to pick, pack, and ship the item. And under Memo, you want to say again why you're returning the item. So these 2 hair were defective. Now you want to press Fulfill and save. It says transaction successfully saved. Now from here, the store manager takes over. So switch over to that. And under your reminders, set it up so that you get vendor return authorizations to approve, to refund, and to return. It's under reminders. You'll see that under your reminders says 1 vendor return authorization to refund. Press Credit Refund, Submit. Check that as the correct stuff being returned. Press Save. Now we have new bill credit to that vendor. Now if you go to pay your bill to that vendor, I already have a purchase order set up in advance. So you see I have 1 bill right here to the test vendor for $54. When you're paying that, you can apply bill credit from that same vendor by pressing the pay for that, and it'll say minus whatever your credit is. So you'll end up paying $45 instead of $54. You'll set your location to the warehouse or wherever you're receiving it. And if you have more bill credits, you can apply those as well. But make sure you don't apply bill credit from a different vendor. It has to be the same vendor. And after you do all of that, you press Save. And you fulfill the rest of the billing process, and that's all there is for billing, credit, and creating a new vendor credit authorization.